Hello again. So in measuring impact today, we got up close and personal. We were looking at this whole untangible, untapped area of personal impact and how that might affect the outcomes of our project. Not just the personal impact of those who have been through the projects, but how our impact can have a direct result on the success of those projects. Because it was personal, I've asked my team, of which there are 3 of them, and I'll mention who the 4th person is in a moment, of which there are 3 of them, to talk about it from their personal takeaways, how it's informed their thinking. So I'd like to invite them up, please. And I've got a last person, a final person, a 4th person who was working with Steve Murray this morning, looking at an impact tool, who I believe is going to just talk us through how that works, the benefits, and how that might be improved upon in the future. I'm saying that, but I can't see them, so maybe they've decided, oh yes, hello, good, here she is. Please don't leave us, please don't leave us. Fantastic. Okay, thank you very much.
My name is Edward. I work with an organization called Fusionscape. We're based in London, in the northeast of London and some parts of Essex. So today we're looking at measuring impact. And we came up with a very interesting equation, which you might want to write it down. We said outsider influence plus action equals to personal reaction or personal impact. So I'll take it all over again so that you understand. Outsider influence plus action equals to a personal reaction or personal impact. And how do you measure that? We talked about the whole process of case studies, making sure you document how that transformation or how that journey has transformed you as an individual, as the person who is helping that young person to go on that journey, how that has transformed that young person as well. So you make sure you document that. And another way of looking at it is observation, through observation, observing how people go on that journey from where they were before they got involved with the project and where they are after the project has finished. So we also said that the baseline of that is that making sure you have a survey or making sure you understand where that young person is or where you were when you started the project and where you're going to be when you finish the project. Thank you very much.
So I'm Mary from Bryson Charitable Group in Belfast, and I work with the EVS programme. I've worked with EVS for many, many years. So whenever Sian asked us to kind of reflect on what we're going to take away with us today, I think that this thing about the personal impact was the big light bulb moment for me, because I think most of our group were in the same position when we heard about personal impact. We assumed it was the impact on the individuals, the beneficiaries, the organisations, whoever else. We didn't actually think about the impact that we, as youth workers, teachers, whatever, actually have on the rest. So I think that was kind of the big thing that I've taken away from today. Thank you.
Hi, Paul, English, living in Glasgow. It's allowed. I'll put a wee Glaswegian accent on if you wish. Personal impact. I've written it on my phone so I don't forget. There you go, a little Glaswegian for you. Slap. Think about it. That's impact. And it means quite a lot to different people, but actually it's the point of impact that we've been focusing on, but not the journey. And so at the end of that session, I said, what does it mean to me and where are we going with the next session? Because, I flew in from Brussels last night just to be here, so it has to be worthwhile. And so the next time, hopefully it'll be in Scotland because we're waiting for our turn. Say less about projects and processes. Slap. Peach. Now, I don't want you to go home and slap a peach. This is very important. But peach, and I wrote this down, present examples and consider how to measure impact. That's it.